Dear ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you, the rowdy group who are sitting in front of me. Thank you, my family who are sitting in the corner. And thank you, my friends who are along with them. And thank you so very much for being here. And I love you all too. Last night, I congratulated Mr. David and offered him to work with us on behalf of our country. I hope that will be a successful president for all Bangladeshi. This is not outcome we wanted or we worked so hard for. I'm so sorry that we did not win this election for the values we share and the vision we hold for our country. But I feel pride and gratitude for this wonderful campaign that we built together. This best, diverse, creative, and rowdy, energized campaign. You represent the best of Bangladesh, and being your candidate has been one of the greatest honor of my life. I know how disappointed you feel because I feel it too, and so do tens of millions of Bangladeshi who invested their hopes and dreams in this effort. This is painful and it will be for a long time. But I want you to remember this. Our campaign was never about one person or even one election. It was about the country we love and about building Bangladeshi that's hopeful, inclusive, and big-hearted. We have seen that our nation is more deeply divided than we thought, but I still believe in Bangladesh and Bangladeshi, and I always will. And if you do, then we must accept this result and then look to the future. Mr. David is going to be our president. We owe him an open mind and that chance to lead. Our constitutional democracy enshrines the peaceful transfer of power. We don't just respect that, we cherish it. It also enshrines other things, the rules of law, the principle that we are all equal in rights and dignity, freedom of worship, expression. We respect and cherish these values too, and we must defend them. Now, and let me add, our constitutional democracy demands our participation, not just every 4 years, but all the time. So let's do all we can to keep advancing the causes and values we all hold dear. Making our economic work for everyone, not just those at the top. Protecting our country and protecting our planet and breaking down all the barriers that hold any Bangladeshi back from achieving their goals. We have spent a year and half bringing together millions of people from every corner of our country to say with one voice that we believe that the Bangladesh dreams is big enough for everyone, for people, all races and religion, for men and women, for immigrants people and people with all disabilities, for everyone. So now our responsibility as citizens is to keep doing our part to build that better, stronger, fairer Bangladesh we seek. And I know you will. I'm so grateful to stand with all of you. I want to thank Mr. David and Anne for helping or for being our parents on this journey. It has been a joy getting to know them better, and it gives me great hope and comfort to know that David will remain on the front lines of our democracy representing Dhaka in the Senate. Mr. Jacob and Mohammed, our country owes you an enormous debt of gratitude. We thank you for your graceful determined leadership that has meant so much to so many Bangladeshi and people across the world. And to Ardeen, Ferdin, and Maxdin, our brothers, our entire family, my love for you means more than I can ever express. You crisscrossed this country on our behalf and lifted me up when I need it most. Even 4 months old Aiden would travel with his mom. I will always be grateful to the creative, talented, dedicated men and women at our headquarters in Dhaka across the country. Poured your heart into this campaign. For some of you who are veterans, it was a campaign after you had done another campaign. Some of you, it was your first campaign. I want each of you to know that you are the best campaigner anybody could have even expected or wanted. And to the millions of volunteers, community leaders, activists, and union organizers who knocked on doors, talked to the neighbors, protested on Facebook, posted on Facebook, even in secret private Facebook sites. I want everybody coming out from behind that and make sure your voice are hearing going forward. To everyone who sent in contribution as a small Dhaka 5 and kept us going, thank you. Thank you for all of your support. And to the young people in particular, I hope you will hear this. I have as David and Jacob. I have, as David said, spent money and adult's life fighting for what I believe in. I have had success. I have had setbacks, sometimes really painful ones. Many of you are the beginning of your professional, public, and political careers. You will have succeed and setback too. This loss hurts, but please never stop believing that fighting for what's right is worth it. It is worth it. And so we need you to keep up these fights now and for the rest of your lives. And to all the women, especially the young women who put their faith in this campaign and in me, I want you to know that nothing has made me prouder than to be your campaign. Now, I know we have still not shattered that highest and earliest glass ceiling, but someday someone will, and hopefully sooner than we might think right now. And to all the little girls who are watching this, never doubt that you are the valuable, powerful, and serving or deserving of every chance and opportunity in this world to pursue and achieve your own dreams. Finally, I'm so grateful for our country and for all it has given to me. I count my blessing every single day that I'm a Bangladeshi, and I still believe as deeply as I ever have that if we stand together and work together with respect for our difference, strength is our conviction and loves for this nation, our best days are still ahead of us. Because I believe we are stronger together, we all go forward together, and you should never ever regret fighting for what Scripture tells us, let us not grow weary in doing good, for in due season we shall reap if we do not lose heart. So my friends, let us have faith in each other. Let us not grow weary. Let us not lose heart, for there are more seasons to come and there is more work to do. I am incredibly honored and grateful to have had this chance to represent all of you in this consequential election. May God bless you and may God bless Bangladesh. Thank you.